need to get chicken feed and cat food. We need to get chicken food and cat food.
And dog food.
And dog food.
You're gonna bring the ball?
Was I right?
The hardest part is to try and get this thing out of here. Now, if you're wondering why we have our chicken feed in a freezer that is no longer working, it is because it is already super insulated. No mice will be able to get into it. This is how we keep our chicken feed fresh and free of mold. Hi, Hossie. You always giving our viewers kisses, ain't ya? Good boy.
In there, throw it in there. Done.
I love how their nose goes up when they eat.
Now push. Shoulder. Now down. Down. Good luck. Let me in. Let me in.